Would you like to assess yours and your team's personality while having fun? If yes, our Perfume Workshop is just the right place for you. Our 3-hour aromatherapy team bonding is conducted indoors in weatherproof and air-conditioned surroundings, and it's suitable for all genders and age groups. Process is broken down into 6 different activities. You'll start with fun experiments so you can appreciate your sense of smell, after which you'll be asked to take simple personality tests. These results will be then explained by our perfumers. The results also translate into a number of drops that you'll be putting into your perfume bottle to personalize it. The perfume bottle can also be customized with your name or corporate logo. After the perfume bottles are sealed, it's time to guess who and win the auction. For larger groups, we have other add-on activities. Our workshop can accommodate about 55 participants. For larger group, we rent a venue. We're also happy to visit your location. Need catering, burr, or anything else? Contact us at 65-9732-8004 or at info@perfumeworkshop.com.